Now, in order to be able to use it, we made a demo kit. The demo kit here contains four different products, and I will explain them, and I will roughly show you what is unique about them and how did we use it. So as you know, we are focusing now on natural basis, all made out of sustainable sources. And this is the basic for this demo kits. So we have product number one, which is a natural protecting and refreshing wash. Instant form, then we have a spray, deodorizing spray, and of course we have a mask. So let's start with the natural protecting and refreshing wash. You can write down the PID that we used here and the lot number, and these products are available by our sister company, Advanced Beauty Lab, and one can get them in bulk or in finished packaging unit. So this is a facial cleanser. It's designed to give a very clean, natural, clean, refreshing the skin. It's infused with the different ingredients that I told you. And because of natural, of course, we use HydroSal natural antiseptic. I missed to tell you up front, the HydroSal itself is all made out of natural ingredients. This is the unique thing that came up recently, that we developed a natural version compared to all the time that we're talking about HydroSal. We use synthetic acrylate base. Now we have it natural. This is naturally protecting and moisturizing, which means every time we use natural antiseptic, we also use technologies to moisture the skin, to hydrate the skin. And this goes one in one, because it's not enough just to kill the bacteria, but also to moisturize the skin. This is a spray. We can say this is a guarding and deodorizing, because this contains BKC, so it's not all natural. Antiseptic is the OTC claim. So for antiseptic, we have to use an antiseptic ingredients, and I listed out the ingredients before. And so this gives a long lasting, and it contains the BKC. The other two products that I showed you before are natural and natural blend. And nothing to say, but I would like to emphasize that the CDC in US recently updated the regulation to say that the BKC actually killed the COVID virus, the coronavirus. Actually kill the coronavirus. Before that, it was not clear if it's correct for coronavirus. Now, I think they made it very clear, and it's very useful piece of information to promote this technology. This is a facial mask. It is a natural product, and it also contains the color changing mask. So you rub it until the color changes. And once the color changes, you see that it's active, then you wash it off, and you get both of refreshing the skin, protecting the skin, and hydrating the skin.